Today is the last day of Sathe 2026, one of the biggest travel trade gatherings in South Asia, from tourism boards and airlines to hotels and tech platforms. Sathe in New Delhi is buzzing with deals, ideas and future travel trends. Our team is on the ground speaking with visitors and exhibitors. Take a look.
From visitors here at Sathe 2026, which booth did they like the most, and what is tempting for them when it comes to traveling and picking up their next destination? I have Jasmeet with me today, who loves traveling, an ardent traveler herself. So Jasmeet, tell me, which was your favorite booth? Again, an international one and a national state.
So my favorite booth is Bali, because I have just launched a women's departure for Bali, which is in May, 20th to 25th May. So everything is booked. It's wellness, come fun, come activities. So it's a mixed blend of everything. So I would obviously rate Bali.
What about a national one?
National is Goa. Again, picking up with females. So there are a lot of departures, female departures for Goa, because it has water activities, it has nightlife, clubs, a lot of things to do in Goa.
So, Mr. Sudhakar, how have you seen, Sathe year on year different? And this year, what is the best thing about the summit that you liked?
It's this year it's much better organized than previous few years. And what I've seen is the footfall was much more than the previous years.
But otherwise, I'm sure, there's a lot of pretty aesthetic booths. Anything that you personally really liked?
I had liked the Sun Siam Maldives booth very well. Then Uttarakhand is also good. And I have seen Assam was also good. A small one, but it was good.
Yeah. So
and Kerala.
Yeah. Kerala was beautiful. So, Mr. Aman, according to you, again, which was the best booth that you liked?
I like J&K. And in the foreign section, it's Maldives.
Yeah, that was beautiful. What do you like? What did you like about J&K? They really...
Because the views they are presenting, it's excellent ones. And personally, I am also from J&K. I love my stall very best.
According to you, which is that one trend in 2026 that has really picked up, and as a traveler yourself?
It's a domestic travel. It's a domestic travel which is going to pick up this year. Because last year it was worse scenarios, war going to happen. So travel was limited last year. But this year it's going to boom.
So, Mr. Ayush, apart from your own stall, which is that one other booth that you really liked, which is that one state that you thought was really aesthetic?
I really like the state pavilions, which is basically the Madhya Pradesh is very good one, Uttarakhand is very good one, and then I saw on the front, I don't remember, Rajasthan is good too. So all state has come up very good, like Kerala, they have very good setup done.